wozala shala wozala zidla ubusha wozona.
The safety you need and the fun you want. There's space for every fun in the Toyota Starlet.
Itiski TV powered by World Sports Betting. itiskitimes.co.za. Soweto Derby yokugqibela le season ka-2025 2026 FNB Stadium sold out more than 88,000 inside the Calabash namhlanje. Nalapho ke iphele ngokulingana 1-1. It's 1 Orlando Pirates, 1 Kaizer Chiefs. Umdlalo we-Betway Premiership match day number 25 for match number 26 rather for Orlando Pirates. Sundowns, as we are recording this video, they are playing against Richards Bay, and it was still 0-0. Man of the match, Glomdlalo, where Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs, Brennan Peterson. Junior, you agree?
Shane mabrada kunjani?
I'm okay.
Ngibulise uNkululeko.
Yep.
Ngibulise uBenedict Sovile kaze ngibulise umntanela sinamba Chuckzin. Ngibulise Justice. Ebafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiski TV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. Big games for big players. As cool mention starting 11.
But awukaniphenduli. Brennan Peterson, man of the match.
Yeah. I think you deserve, but to tell the truth is Melenje ngikhuluma iVAR. Yes, man of the match deserve umjita.
Yeah.
Mara masinge maneVAR nje not much umjita enzile ngikhuluma in terms of yes kunama save that wenzile, I will say 2 or 3. I will say that. I think he amenza, but truly speaking Pirates never created so many chances. The Pirates lengiyaziyo mina. I think ngikhuluma nje ngegame yonke Shane. Kaizer Chiefs coming to this picture, I think they wanted to disturb Orlando Pirates, and they did exactly that. Honestly speaking, I think a reflection game, ama results ayasho. Pirates in Chiefs today, Chiefs won 5 games in a row with them to choose Shabalala playing as number 10, this boy Tuba playing white, but Chinchana and Lepo on the left hand side. Yes, Ulumchitu Modi as usual, but the truth is, namhlanje came in namhlanje they came and then bayenza badlala nga 3 central midfield. Umthetho abengabheka ukuthi uzodlala today. I think bathi mabaridi game into abayifundile ukuthi Orlando Pirates they are very dangerous here in the midfield. Nago front 3 or I will say front 4. Talent Bata namtechela. Once singadlala nga 3 thina la bona badlala nga 2. And then Nalomfano really is going to be difficult for him to play. Truly speaking, Shane, I think he can play now with Spanile. Pirates even have a chance to first half. They're supposed to score 2 goals. But I'm talking about Mangiti big games for big players. I'm a player today, they became robots. I'll talk about Pirates players. I'm very disappointed. To really, if I can be honest with you, I'm sure especially Derby game. A police not much honestly into this game. Mreme unfortunately umchitu limele, but I'm check nje ule 15-20 minutes ayidlalile, not much in the game. And Umbuduma, I won't count him kule fixture namhlanje as ngoma games yamanye. So Orlando Pirates babe nama chances, yes, but if you can tell suddenly I'll be honest to Orlando Pirates, the philosophy, the identity of the team changed. Nkuluma in today's game, panicking Orlando Pirates since the first whistle. I don't understand why the coach plays so many long balls, relying in these boys here, man. Now I'm a midfielder called Sadla, the team Sadla my department. I understand why, because pound to pound in quality, Orlando Pirates have got better quality compared to Kaizer Chiefs. Numbers don't lie. And those players, they've been showing up. But to say. But the game I'm very disappointed to really a police. Instead, things only going to as a wing back, a compliment into this game. Now, a contender of man of the match. Man of the match is a contender. Kaizer Chiefs, I think they never hit it, but they had 1 goal. And on target, and then it was a goal, honestly. First half, Bebangana made chances to go forward. I think they shift as a team. They press Orlando Pirates high there. I make it very difficult for Orlando Pirates. Very aggressive compared to Pirates or Pirates players. I never show you character. Even second half, I think the difference was Pirates, Kaizer Chiefs players, they show character compared to Orlando Pirates players. And Pirates, I understand what they were trying to do. Also the coach. Njoba ngishilo isizini mayicala udlale indima enkulu sengikhuluma nangamasapha. I don't understand why it keep a police uyenzile ngegame ye-Richards Bay. It did exactly the same. And then ufaka bani awufaki i-attacker ufaka ubani uLama. I don't understand why udlala ngokupha ephambili. And then the coach now let the team down and very disappointing shit. But ngishilo mina downfall on the Pirates in a squad sonke it will be a coach inexperience honestly because Pirates second half ile chance ka rile whereby the goalkeeper safe my among I checker there was not much movement of the ball compared to side in the Pirates. A lot of Pirates players today became robots honestly and very disappointing because it where matters most abana character as ngisho this is how you look fana in World Cup tournament njengabo World Cup ukuba win abo Euro and you need strong character, talented players and strong character. And experience plays a major role. In today's game, I think experience is a lindi menkulu along the Pirates players. They've got the talent, but no character in vessel. They because of in Paris to win a Champions League, even to go to the final of Champions League, because of you need a strong character. And Gulas Babona Kon, Abagwazu Dala under pressure.
Would you say, Junior, sorry, Okata, would you say, the Pirates maybe a team currently, when things don't go ngendlela yabo, they panic, they run out of ideas. Would you say also Coach Wadu, he didn't anticipate the midfield three Kaizer Chiefs of Undlovu, Umthetwa, and also Maboy? Would you say Orlando Pirates, the technical team, but they didn't anticipate the Kaizer Chiefs could play the midfield three namhlanje?
Honestly speaking, and njoba ngisho ngikhala nange-character to players. Yes, coach bengamela ngaqale ngomakhehleni. That's for me. Bengamela ngaqale bekumele aqale ngayo noMtetshela. That's for me. Mcalo noMtetshela, the energy, box entry. I mean, he can score goals. Now Makhehleni is more static. It's mangasu talent, but that's why Paris being athletic in the midfield. Because Makhehleni, every time defense got the ball, upege kuchai iyaflathela ibhola and then the ball must go behind the defense. And no coaching they more panika and panika my players. And njoba ngisho ngithi panika the philosophy has changed. I don't understand. Paris players, they can't play this long ball without the coach instruction. Senkulma, beba panic, man. Na iwadu. Mak panic and the players will panic, honestly. But I'm a player now, what I did in the main goal is to this game. They never show up. These players, they go into World Cup. I mean, if they panic in such games, go pay to Premiership, knowing with the Sundowns, yes, with the Sundowns, but how you going to win the league? How you going to become the best if you can win where it matters most? So, psychological Paris players, they never, I mean, they show Baboni weak. They've got the talent, honestly, make no mistake. One of the strong, talented team, Bunny Future, bright, but honestly, in today's game, bekumele bayibonise character yabo and for me I think they fail players and the coach as well now hlule ukuridi game where it matters most uyawina ama game ready game on the bench and then they come and win ngikhuluma ngala game la amancane but now in today's game imshayile understand the crowd they have hype why now because it's a game of 2 halves second half in ama fight two I'll say I'll give it to Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates both. Yeah.
Now, Junior, tell me, xa ubujongela lineup ye-Kaizer Chiefs, wajongela lineup ye-Orlando Pirates. Xa ujongela lineup ye-Orlando Pirates, wajonga bench yabo. Did you see any individuals there ebezi no rise up to the occasion if a result yambe ngola hlobo because the result nyani yambe ngola hlobo they drew. I-Kaizer Chiefs, they were playing a low block for the better part of the game. When you look at that Orlando Pirates bench, did you see anyone coming from that bench and influencing the game in favor of Orlando Pirates?
Yeah, like honestly, like Kutso was saying, I think he put it very before tactical change, not on the bench. Very simple. Makphumo Mremi. We understand you fagure this guy uFanre. And true, that's as a coach, ufaka uFanre, push Sibelebele to right wing forward. And then we are going to go number 10 or police left and ngisasho namanje eshini fethu nina enze plan lapha eletting mabasoko man amagame njengalabo you don't need abombuthuma and then you can't have abombuthuma bangakore emagame njengabo i-team ikora 6 or 5 and then uthi uzokora egemini njengale. Yes, it runs every time Pirates got the ball, but you can't see what he's doing. He's never hurting my opponent. I mean, he had 2 central defenders that he never even tested. Une speed, ulight uyambona, but he can't make a space for himself. So I think the Kaizer Chiefs sponsor win bazosho ukuthi basenzile because abantu bazo-check i-quality Orlando Pirates, ba-check i-quality Kaizer Chiefs, and then basho bathi Chiefs isenzile ispan. But truly speaking, i-reflection game Chiefs came to disturb Orlando Pirates. They showed the character, not played. Angeke ngisho that beautiful beautiful football because now they lack identity kule game today. Emagemini wonke instead into yabo futhi. Mangithi identity ngisho indlela yokudlala. Yabo ngifuna ukwazi style of play sabo. And in today's game njengale bengingaboni ukuthi bangayenza le nto le. But bona into abayibonisile character. Honestly, because they wanted more compared to Orlando Pirates. They won ama battles, second balls they won, and they got the goal. Well done to this boy Duba to be composed. Nokuba arrogant angene box in the ball. Omunye be cross affair, and well done to Modi join that attack Kaizer Chiefs. And then one shot, one goal, done. And well done to these 2 players. I think Omodi with Akubeg, I mean, I've been critical to Modi and Ukore with Abi now, even if they say whatever they want. Nami, I'm saying, he never played a beautiful game into this game, honestly. And I don't find it too, but they created the moment, matters most. And the boys on the headline, truly speaking, with the 1-1, Modi scored. So well done for that. And Orlando Pirates now is this step. Stress again to Orlando Pirates go back to drawing board. And Vetbenga mela control the game. Honestly speaking, I'm an what is what Magai Pega their game. I'm how they play today. It's actually team le meaning iboni le Orlando Pirates
that wanted to win the championship.
No. Actually team le nyanga ibona kwama game is disappointing, honestly.
Yeah. Junior, thank you so much for your analysis. That Junior Kanye, former Kaizer Chiefs midfielder, is played in this game. Soweto Derby for Kaizer Chiefs. Namhlanje Soweto Derby, it ended in a stalemate. 1-1 FNB Stadium. So Orlando Pirates 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola Bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.